nice, beautiful blue coffee machine from the attic landed on this quarter panel. That's what I gotta fix right now. Pretty ugly. Driver's side situation too. It's gotta be sweet. So I gotta fix it and not break the paint and don't do any painting basically. Just fix this car, restore the value. All right, let's do PDR. I'm gonna show you here how a dent tile is actually getting this done. Now this is a plastic panel and I can't leverage off of it, but the inside frame hole is right here, right where that tip is. So I have my dent tile 35 heavy all the way in there, and I have a base screwed out just right to start hitting the edge of that wall, so I'll have the leverage. And if you had a regular flat bar, you'd have to have the perfect size screw to do that. With a dent tile, since the tip passes through the bar, I can just quickly adjust it and be working in no time. That's the beauty of a dent tile, is that slot down the middle. It's a patented slot. All right, so now I'm ready to start pushing, and I got the power. This is all done. This Carrera 911, big dent on the quarter panel. Some kind of coffee machine fell on it, and it is all done. So I did not drill a hole up inside here. As you can see, there's no hole there. And I did not drill a hole in here, of course. This came in from the speaker. So let's get a look at it in this direction. Just follow those lights, run it through, nice and smooth. Little wiggle right there, you can see. It's hard to do when you're only working one direction. So that's where this is kind of a tough job, because you don't get this angle for the pushing part of it. Yeah, it's got a few little wiggles in there, but it's some critical lighting right there. There you go, all done. Thanks for watching. This is Sal from Dent Experts, the YouTube channel.